Simply the best for your skin. The Yellowbird's all-natural soap provides the perfect foundation for maintaining healthy glowing skin. Unlike many other leading soap brands, we chose to make ours the old-fashioned way, cold processed, by hand, and only in small batches. This is a time-consuming labor of love that's completely worth it because it gives us total control over what ingredients are used. Why is this important? Your skin is porous and acts like a sponge, absorbing whatever you place on it. For manufacturing purposes, the majority of commercially made soaps contain synthetic lathering agents, chemical preservatives, synthetic dyes, and chemical fragrances, all of which pollute your bloodstream and are harsh on your skin. What makes our charcoal soap special? Activated charcoal provides a natural detox by absorbing dirt and oil to help eliminate acne, blackheads, and bumps. Extra shea butter has been added to leave your skin moisturized and buttery soft for a more youthful appearance. Aromatic essential oils of lemongrass and lavender restore skin to its natural luster by removing blemishes with their antibacterial antifungal properties. Sunflower oil, palm oil, and coconut oil helps skin to fight against age-inducing free radicals made with certified organic ingredients and no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, synthetic dyes, GMOs, animal testing 100% money-back guarantee. Try now risk-free and be on your way to more beautiful healthy skin. Clears skin naturally for a healthy, soft glow. Our charcoal soap is great for men and women with all skin types. A great everyday organic face cleanser and body wash for those suffering with acne, eczema, psoriasis, or rosacea. Chemical-free skin care. Made with the highest grade natural and certified organic ingredients that are less likely to irritate or dry sensitive skin. Formulated with activated charcoal and moisturizing shea butter to remove blemishes and impurities. A perfect face and body wash. We make our soap by hand in the USA through traditional, small batch, cold processed method to best preserve the quality and effectiveness of our all-natural ingredients. Lather up and feel amazing with the calming scent of lemongrass and lavender, two powerful essential oils that have antifungal, astringent, and antibacterial properties. Guaranteed results or your money back. If you don't love our artisan handmade soap as much as we do, we'll be happy to provide you with a full refund. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.